If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Perfect for storing and chilling your favorite beverages and specialty drinks, the Whynter beverage refrigerators are a stylish addition to any home, office, or game room. This Whynter BR130SB refrigerator is a freestanding unit that can be set up just about anywhere. The premium appeal of this unit features an exclusive stainless steel trimmed glass door which keeps your beverages organized and easy to find. Also, a soft LED lighting allows you to view the contents while maintaining internal temperatures and increasing energy efficiency. With its powerful compressor system, this unit features fan-forced circulation to maintain an evenly cooled space, ensuring consistent temperatures throughout the interior. With thermostat settings and temperatures that range between 35 degrees Fahrenheit and 65 degrees Fahrenheit, this beverage refrigerator makes sure your drinks are always cold and refreshing. Crafted with functionality and modern designs, the Whynter beverage refrigerators are the ideal choice for compact and efficient beverage display and refrigeration. Please visit our website.